rolling. Good morning, Pedro. My name is Andrew Menninger, and today is Tuesday, April 18th.
And I am Chase Blevins. As we head out on the home stretch today, we got a plethora of announcements for you today.
What's a plethora?
It means a lot. A myriad of, you need to use the context clues,
Ah, I see. We've got a prom promise assembly this afternoon for students attending this Saturday's prom. Anybody out there know what prom is short for? You guessed it, promenade.
Yep.
Moving forward.
And we got English Week coming up next week. It's going to be great.
It's going to be great.
Yeah.
Woo! English Week.
Yeah. Look at that.
And on Monday, we've got our state algebra test. Boo!
Ew.
Followed by our state geometry test on Tuesday. Boo!
Ew.
And our state biology test on Wednesday. Boo! Well, that's all for us here at Good Morning Pedro. My name's Andrew Menninger. We'll see you next time. Rock Hill High School, stay classy.
Oh, wanna be round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous is so famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one and yeah, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, to fuck the world. This is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. This is me, I'm still on it. Cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved. But a champion, a champion. When I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-bum. Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this up. You can sing my song if you want. I know you want it. It's always kinda funny, yeah, cause you I know I'm a superstar in the sky to lead you on. Haters gonna hate us and prove of how they love. They can bring me down, nah. They are jealous, a million my umbrella, yeah, they let me so. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome.